Hi guys, hello guys. Today I'll be making some bubble bars, and this is also a bubble bar that I'm hoping to color it a bit more deeper yellow for the Chinese New Year. And I'm using zesty scents like lemons and oranges, and I'm going to do a bit of mango, and it's going to be mostly fragrance for this very I think I may use some orange essential oil. So I weigh out my baking soda. This is going to be a simple bubble bar. I do have to weigh out my cocoa bentaine and my SCI and the cream of tartar and vegetable glycerine. So I will do that and I will bring you back. Okay, so I'm going to measure out my cream of tartar. And I'm using 1/4 of a cup here. And I'm going to add the dry. This is my surfactant, SCI, and I have to put my mask on now because it's important that you wear a mask so that this does not get into your lungs. It's not good at all for your lungs. Okay, I'm going to add some more yellow into the mix here, and I mixed it with polysorbate and some hot water for the color because I want a darker yellow. I'll usually mix this in. I'll finish mixing this in with the stand mixer. I'm about to measure out my liquids. I'm starting off with cocoa bentaine. That's all I have left. I'm waiting for my supplies to come in, and I think I'll have to cheat here. Okay, some glycerine. some glycerine, and then I'll be doing some propylene glycol. Okay, and that's it for my liquid. I will set this up to blend it out in the stand blender, the stand blender here. Just set this up. Measured out my fragrance, so I have about 13 grams of fragrance, I think, and I'm using satsuma, which is very citrusy, and a bit of mango papaya. Now this is way too soft, so I have to add more baking soda to this and some more cream of tartar to this. So I will bring you back when I'm finished and I get it to where, because I want it like a dough consistency to cut cookie cutters. And I will bring you back when I get it to where I want it to be. Okay, I have my cookie cutter and my placemat, and I just put a bit of baking soda so it doesn't stick to the mat. Just roll it around in your mat. I am sure you would do a better job than what I am doing here. This is just okay. Just roll it out. And this is not enough dough. I need more. Start to stick. think this cookie cutter is way too big. I'm getting a smaller one. Let's see. I think that could work. And I want to put a popsicle stick in it. Oh, I think I should do it from this side. Stick. Okay, so you get the idea what I'm doing here. So I'm going to finish this off, and I will be putting these in the fridge to harden up. And I'll bring you back.